In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the guard assembly on your Black & Decker CST 1200 string trimmer. Now I'll remove the guard assembly. It's held in place with a single screw and a couple of plastic tabs. Now replace the guard assembly. And secure it with the screw.